It's so bad because when somebody asks me where I'm from and I say Trinidad, and they say, where is that? And I say in the Caribbean, and then they say, oh, Jamaica. That is when you know things bad. I fed up see Jamaica.
This is a public service announcement. So as most of you know and realize, I am abroad. I'm in a beautiful country right now. I'm not in the UK. And I'm sick and tired of people asking me if I'm in Jamaica. Is Jamaica the only Caribbean island you lot know? You lot need to pattern up and behave yourself. There's many other Caribbean islands. There's Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah.
There's St. Lucia. There's Barbados. There's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. There's Grenada. There's other islands that I can't think of off the top of my head. There's Dominican Republic.
There's Haiti.
Jamaica's not the only Caribbean island, so the fact that most of you are just jumping to, are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? No, I'm in Grenada. Stop asking me.
Why don't you say, oh, by the way, where are you?
Yeah, or what country are you in? Why do you lot just assume Jamaica? Like, bruh.
Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So guys, I'm your host Nelson. Kindly, if it is your first time coming across my video, guys, feel free to share, comment, and also interact in my comments. So guys, in today's video we're going to see this Trinidadian guy who feels bad when it's being compared to Jamaica. Like, this guy feels bad because Jamaican is being acknowledged much than his, and this guy is sad because Jamaican is being praised, and many people do love Jamaican and they feel like Jamaican is the best Caribbean island. So guys, watch this video, and also you'll be seeing that some Chinese in Jamaican restaurant enjoying the food and they are really enjoying. So guys, watch the video till the end. I'll be back with some comments.
How Jamaicans getting all the Caribbean clout? How Jamaicans getting all the Caribbean clout? It's so bad because when somebody asks me where I'm from and I say Trinidad, and they say, where is that? And I say in the Caribbean, and then they say, oh, Jamaica. That is when you know things bad. I fed up see Jamaica. World boss, vibes cartel. Yo, Trinidad needs some recognition. What we doing, yo? What we doing? You know when things bad when you say where you're from and somebody say, oh, Jamaica. That's when you know things bad. We need some representation, yo. And guess what? Like, I could say a whole bunch of other artists rep Jamaica and then they say from Jamaica. No, I respect the culture, but I just think Trinidad have more vibes. It just needs to be explored a bit more. It just needs to get put out there a bit more. Like, really, Trinidad is way more vibes than Jamaica. If people think Jamaica is vibes, yo, come to Trinidad and you will see bare vibes. Only time I see Trinidad is getting represented is when they declare a state of emergency. Like, bro, why all our viral moments had to feel like a criminal documentary trailer? Like, really, why we can't go viral for a doubles vendor doing a backflip or some shit like that? Why it had to be that, yo? Check the day toll for the most viral moments in Trinidad, and it will say Soca Monarch 2019, Carnival, and then boom, state of emergency, lockdown on the east side. What? Come on, yo. No. Meanwhile, Jamaica getting shout out for music, dance, and culture. And Trinidad is only getting recognition when the caption says, police out in full effect. Bro, why is that the coolest moment? Every time it's Jamaica. You know when things bad because some people just don't know the geographic map. So you know when it's bad when you say you're from the Caribbean and they automatically think Jamaica. Brother, that is when you know it's bad. We need some recognition. Who is willing to step up to the plate? And recognition is very important too for the people because we'll get shit. Every time I keep seeing Jamaica RAF. These people going on the raft in Jamaica and just vibing there. Yo, Trinidad way more lit, but much love to Jamaican people. You know, I love the Jake chicken and shit, so.
So, serious questions for the Jamaicans. Why do Jamaicans think that Jamaica is the best country in the Caribbean when there's 12 other independent Caribbean countries? Is it, well, you know what? Let me not even put my own opinion in there. I legit want to know what the other Jamaicans think and why they think that. And you know, the funny thing is not just Jamaicans that think that. I think that people outside of the Caribbean too, when they think about the Caribbean, they only think about Jamaica. So I'm not sure why that is the reason. I'd love to hear your opinion.
Needless to say, we're the capital of the Caribbean, so we got all the major players. We got okay, let's say Vibes Cartel. We got Usain Bolt. We got Bob Marley. We always make history. The other day, Messi come to Jamaica, man. We're the top of the top. We're the number one travel. We're the number one destination. We got the best beaches. Our food is the best shit. Y'all play our music anywhere in the Caribbean. Ain't nobody got time to listen to y'all, right? Let's be real. Y'all take offense to everything about Jamaican. We're not even pressed by y'all. Y'all pressed by us. So if somebody refers to you as, oh, you're Jamaican, just be happy, bro. Just be happy you've been selected and been placed among the greats. Everything about us, you guys copy. So let's be real, yo.
My Korean parents tried Jamaican food for the first time.
Jerk chicken. 콩밥. Callaloo.
썬나무. 이거 뭐야? Jamaica. 왜?
굉장히
맛있다.
How many times is
맛있다. 우리나라 밥하고 똑같은데 코코넛이 다르죠. 이게 너무 크다.
자,
김치가 오히려
김치 doesn't go with coconut.
이거는 어울려.
이게 탄 게 아니고 약간 그런 카라멜 같은 그래서 이런 거.
오, 먹어야지 그럼. 오, 너무 먹다. 야 이게 다 한 입하고 빼. 엄마 봐. 짠 맛이 나, 진짜. 우와, 오 맛있겠다.
좋아하는 꼬리.
오, 얼마 맛있냐.
장조림 완전.
맛있죠?
계란.
노란 거는 열매야.
어?
과일 아키.
아끼. 와. 완전 예상을 딛는 거야 이거. 오, 맛있네.
오, 괜찮은데? 이 노란 게 생선 그 내장에 보면은 요런 맛 나는 거 있어.
전 한번 먹어보자. 우와.
뜻밖의.
오, 진짜 눈물이다.
완전 똑같아. 시나물 똑같아.
프렌트라고? 프렌트?
자메이칸에서는 플랜튼.
프렌트. 바나나보다 나은 거.
이건 빵 같아.
자메이카 버시.
Tell you something. This is for educational purposes only, right? Peas and rice does not belong to Jamaica. Peas and rice belongs to Guyana. You know why? Read up your history. Due to the slave trade, Jamaica did not have food. Jamaica was a very, very poor island. And Guyana had to supply them with rice and beans. You understand me? Not even coconut tree. Not been a grow at Jamaica. Guyana sent coconut. So when all these produce reach to Jamaica, them Jamaican people say, you know what? Me go put the peas, me go put the rice, and me go put the coconut, and me go make peas and rice. Jamaicans need to thank Guyanese for showing them what peas and rice is. Yes. Do your history. Only thing Jamaica had is ackee, and ackee just kill you when you eat it. You understand me? I said a saltfish. All them things what they eating in Jamaica. Is Guyana make Jamaica know about peas and rice? Google it. Yes. Me not joke. I shooting me attack. Yes. Peas and rice. Jamaican, me don't know where they come out with that. A Guyanese make Jamaican people know about peas and rice. Yes.
Welcome back my people. So guys, I hope that you have watched the video and you have seen it for yourself. So that guy is a Trinidad guy, and it feels so bad when people acknowledge. In the Caribbean we have many countries. We have the Bahamians, we have the Trinidad, and many people outside the Caribbean, they only when you ask somebody, even here where I live, when you ask like random people, like name any country in the Caribbean, they always say Jamaican, because Jamaican has really marketed itself in this world. Like Jamaican is very different. It's doing their thing different, and they have aura. Jamaican has produced like the fastest man. The fastest man came from Jamaica, and his name is Usain Bolt. Jamaican has produced this world with the best music. I think you all know that reggae originated from Jamaica, and many people do love Jamaican because they have good music, and the music, they have word of encouragement, and they are going viral. And what I like about those reggae music is that those music never gets old. Like even I know when I get married, my son will still listen to reggae music, because those music was sung even 1970, some are from 1980, and they are still hitting, and many people are still listening to them. So guys, that guy is very angry because like many people acknowledge Jamaican so much, and he feels like there are many countries in the Caribbean. Why is it that everybody only knows and appreciates Jamaican? No, Jamaican, they do their things, like they do their things. Other countries are the one that they acknowledge them. Like for example, in cooking, the word always says Jamaican is the best and have the best dishes, but you can never find a Jamaican person saying that I live in Jamaica, Jamaican has the best food. No, they do their work, and the praises comes afterwards. So I think the other countries in the Caribbean, they are good, but Jamaican have already overshadowed them. Like the Jamaican has done many great things, and people love them. You can see even in many socialite people. I've made a video of many people like flocking to Jamaica, and many socialite people, them, these movie actors, the Hollywood and the Bollywood, many of them, they are flocking to Jamaica. Even if you search right now like Caribbean, if you go to a search list and search Caribbean, some of the first like 5 to 6 pictures, they are from Jamaica. Even Google itself, when you search the Caribbean island, the first like 5 to 6 pictures, they are from Jamaican. So that shows that Jamaican is being known. Like what Jamaican has done to this world, it has made itself famous, and many people do like Jamaican. So this is not like to mock other countries, but for those who are like want to compete with Jamaica, Jamaican is already being known. Even you can do something for your country, at least to gain fame, like even as like the other countries in the Caribbean. Here, for me I only know like few countries, but Jamaican, for me, I think Jamaican is the best because of what it has done to this world. So guys, if it is your first time coming across my video, guys, you can subscribe, share it to your friend. This video is not to mock others, like it's an educational video, like just to know the world. So before I forget, keep Jamaicans in your prayers. They are going through hard times. You can provide some word of encouragement in the comments, some words of hope. And before I forget, guys, I want to thank you all for the support. For those who have subscribed to my channel, the returning ones, I want to appreciate you guys. Without you, I wouldn't be here. You have really supported me, and I thank you. And to the new ones, I've been your host Nelson. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can do so, and I'll be so thankful. So guys, keep safe, be ready for the next video, and all will be well. One love.